Claude Fable 5 just got banned. I mean, the most powerful AI model ever released just got restricted in a way that nobody saw coming, and the implications of this are massive. Not just for AI, not just for tech, but for the global economy and for you personally if you're trying to build any kind of income online right now. I'm gonna walk you through exactly what happened, why it matters, and the one thing this whole situation makes crystal clear about where the smart money is when it comes to making money with AI. My name is Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business. My record is making $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours. If you want to know exactly how I do that, you can check out the free resources in the description below. So here's the timeline. Fable 5 dropped a few days ago, and genuinely, I don't say this lightly, it was a different level. The things I've been able to build with it in just a couple of days have been insane. If you've used it, you know what I mean. And if you haven't, just know it was the kind of model where you feel like you've got an unfair advantage the second you start using it. And then, almost immediately after the release, the government steps in. The claim is that jailbreaks were found, that people could bypass the safeguards and use this model to build dangerous things. And because Fable 5 is so much more powerful than anything that ever came before it, even a partial jailbreak becomes a much bigger deal. Anthropic pushed back a little. They said the jailbreaks that were found aren't general jailbreaks, meaning people can't just do anything they want with it. They're more limited. They also pointed out that these same types of jailbreaks exist in basically every major model out there right now, including ChatGPT. But the end result didn't change. The model is now restricted, and that's the situation we're in. Here's where it gets interesting, and this is the part most people are going to miss. The whole AI economy right now, and I mean, the thing that's been propping up the stock market, driving record profits across tech, and basically keeping the global economy moving is built on a single assumption, that AI companies are going to make an enormous amount of money over the next 10 years. That assumption is what drives these trillion-dollar cheap contracts with Nvidia. That assumption is what drives the massive infrastructure spending. That assumption is also what's keeping Nasdaq at record highs. The moment you restrict one of these frontier models from doing business globally, that assumption starts to crack. Because if Anthropic can only sell Fable 5 to Americans, their revenue projections drop. And if their revenue drops, they can't fulfill the massive hardware contracts they've already signed. And if those contracts start to break down, the companies on the other hand of those contracts can't fulfill their own commitments. And suddenly, that whole circular economy, the one that's been pumping the stock market up for 2 years, starts to unravel. Now, I'm not saying the economy is going to collapse tomorrow, but I am saying this is a much bigger story than just, oh, an AI model gets restricted. This is a story about how fragile the foundation is. And look, I have to be honest here, because I think that this part is self-inflicted. Anthropic has spent years leaning into the fear-based messaging. I mean, they've been saying AI is dangerous, AI could kill people, AI needs to be controlled, governments should have the power to block these models that are too powerful. That was their pitch to policymakers. That was part of how they positioned themselves, and I think that what they were trying to do was shape the rules, get ahead of regulations, so they could influence what the regulations actually looked like. It's a smart strategy, only in theory, because what just happened is the government took exactly what Anthropic was asking for and used it against them. They wanted the government to have the power to shut down dangerous AI, and the government just did that to their own model. The lesson here is real. When you build your marketing around fear, around the idea that what you're offering might hurt people, eventually someone in power is gonna take that seriously. And when they do, you don't get to control what happens next. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Okay, so what do you actually do with all of this? First, practically, if you need the best model available right now for building or coding or anything like that, ChatGPT 5.5 is where you go. It's genuinely excellent, the limits are higher, it's also more affordable, so it's not like you're left without options. But here's the thing I really want you to sit with, because this is the bigger picture point that matters for your actual financial future. This situation just proved something I've been saying for a long time. You cannot build your income entirely on top of someone else's platform. I don't care if it's an AI model, a social media algorithm, or a marketplace. If someone else controls it, they can take it away anytime they want. A government decision, a policy update, a corporate restructuring, and suddenly the tool you depend on is gone or restricted or 10 times more expensive. That's not a foundation, that's a house of cards. The people who are going to win over the next 5 to 10 years with AI are not the ones who are best at using any particular model. They're the ones who build something real on top of AI, something they own. A business, a brand, an audience, a product. And here's the thing that I think most people still don't fully understand. You don't need to be an expert in anything to do this. That used to be the barrier, right? To sell a course or a digital product, you had to be the world's leading authority on something. You had to have credentials. You had to have years of experience. AI completely eliminated that barrier because now you can use AI to pull together the best information on basically any topic, structure it into a course, write the scripts, create the content, and start helping people even if you're still learning yourself. The knowledge exists. AI helps you organize it, present it, and deliver it. Your job is just to package it and put it in front of the right people. You can build a personal brand around it if you want to show your face and be the voice people follow. Or you can run the whole thing with an AI avatar and an AI voice if you'd rather stay behind the scenes. Either way works. Either way, you actually build something of your own. That's a business that doesn't just disappear when Anthropic gets a call from the government on a Friday night. That's an income stream that doesn't vanish when an algorithm changes. You own the course, you own the audience, you own the relationship. Nobody can ban that. So where does all of this land? Fable 5 got restricted, the global AI economy took a hit, Anthropic is dealing with the consequences of years of fear-based positioning, and we're all watching to see how this plays out over the next few days. But if you're someone who's been watching AI and trying to figure out where the real opportunity is, the answer is clear. Build something that you own, preferably a digital product because it's high profit. There's no shipping, there's no manufacturing, none of this hassle. So you build a brand, you build a product, you build a brand, you build the audience. And you use AI to do all of that. AI is a tool, not the whole foundation upon which your business relies on. Because if this week taught us anything, it's that any tool can be taken away. What you build with them, however, that's yours. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.